Happy New Year, everybody! Happy New Year! We're still sanitizing, guys. It's going nowhere, this thing, It's going nowhere, so keep safe, guys. Happy New Year, everybody. So we are back, 2021. It's our first recording in 2021, actually. So, yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a great year. It's gonna be a great year. Okay, I believe it's gonna be a great year. Even 2020 for me was a great year. Nationally, worldwide, it wasn't a great year, of course, because of whatever we've been facing. But hey, 2021 is a new year, so I hope everyone is ready. You've all, put yourself together as far as your New Year's resolutions is concerned. Are you starting your jogging sessions, your dieting, your detoxing, all those things? I'm never a fan of these things of detoxing, I feel like the body can always detox itself. There has to be a way. I mean, God made this body for a reason, so it always has to find a way to detox itself. So I'm not going to be worried too much about that. But guys, Happy New Year. Have you got your plans? I just thought maybe I should just say Happy New Year to everybody, and hope you enjoyed your Christmas, your New Year celebrations everywhere, wherever you are. And thanks for joining us here on Nkanelo. Gingirikani is going to be a great year. Can I prophesy? Guys, I just want to say Happy New Year. And also do wish me Happy New Year on the comment sections. Also, if you're new to the channel, please do make sure that you subscribe, do subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos this year, you are not going to be left behind. I don't really know what's coming up this year. I'm not a person that likes saying, oh, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, and 4. The world has its own way of dealing with you. So I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna say, don't be surprised if you see things happening on the channel. I don't like saying, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, But they say it's good to plan ahead. Put to a list that this year I'm gonna achieve this and this and this and this. I'm gonna lose weight. I'm gonna start speaking to my ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend. Oh, I'm gonna save more. I'm gonna take less debt. I'm gonna pay off my debt. There's so many things. People want to take a new instrument, learn to play an instrument, the guitar, or want to go back to school. What do you want to do this year, guys? Please, let's share our, all our plans down below. But I don't like sharing plans because, we live in Africa. I feel like that shouldn't be the song. Guys, don't share your plans. So I'm not a person who is a huge subscriber to this thing of plans. I feel like the universe can hear my heart, and when the universe can hear my heart, and it's always ready to respond, and always the universe responds accordingly. So plans, lists, do them, guys, but I'm not sure about me. Guys, I don't really know. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do this year. I also didn't know that I was gonna be recording a video now. So you can see what I mean. Like, I didn't know. It just happened. Like, things just happen. I feel like life is nicer that way. It's like if you happen to just maybe like someone, invite them to your house. You don't tell them what's gonna happen, what you're gonna do when they come over to your house or to your room. Because most of the time when you tell them, you usually turn them off, push them away because they're like, oh, okay, he's gonna do 1, 2, 3, and 4. They start looking at you in it. So keep everything here, guys. Just a lesson from me. Keep everything here. Know your plans, but don't tell them to the world. Don't say this, I'm gonna do this and this. No. Just do them. People must get surprised by you doing things. Things must just happen. And I feel like life is nicer that way. When things just happen. I like life like that. I like to be surprised. I also like to surprise myself sometimes, So I'm not a person of big plans, I'm a person of big plans, of course, but I'm not a person of sharing my plans. And you can write it in your heart, in your forehead, put it somewhere in your room, sacred place, Some people are fasting, already praying for the year. But fasting in prayer is good, guys. I know people have already started. So have you started with your prayer and fasting? How do you fast? Do you fast generations? Do you fast Isidingo, Uzalo? Do you fast all of those things? Do you also fast football? I don't know what you guys fast. Sex? I don't know. What do you guys fast? When you say you fast, you only fast food? I said fast food. Okay, I didn't mean the fast food as in the shop. I meant like, do you also fast food? I know it's a bit tricky there. Talk about fast food. Guys, happy new year from me, Nkanelo here on the channel. We speak about music. I like talking about music and arts. Whatever is happening in the arts, especially music, because I like music, especially music that interests me. There could be some other music things that are happening for that I don't have much interest. I'm not going to talk about it. Unless if I can start getting interested in it. Otherwise, I like talking about things that interest me. So I hope it's gonna be a great year, guys. So happy new year from me, I'm testing. So the biggest advice from me would be, be yourself. This year, if you have a plan, if you ever going to write plans, please don't forget to be yourself this year. The more you become yourself is the more you achieve more. Is the more the universe can hear you, can understand what you want, what kind of person you are, Maybe I'll share a story one day of how not being myself has cost me a lot in life. So be yourself, don't forget to be yourself, and don't forget to mind your business. Stay on your lane. There's no traffic on your lane, stay there. You're always alone. Like Remina, I'm Salute.